Welcome to Pydle Day 7, your daily programming challenge that teaches you how to program in Python. If you are an experienced Python programmer, then it's just a fun way of solving a puzzle using code. As usual, I'm going to solve yesterday's puzzle. Before I do that, today's puzzle continues on the theme of playing card suits. So it kind of looks like spades. Use your imagination. They were quite limited with a 5 by 5 grid. So yesterday's puzzle is crude kind of diamond. So this is a classic kind of staircase programming problem, and it's 2 dimensions. So I think we're going to need 2 loops for that. But let's first do the white background, and that's quite simple. So 25 cells, so for I in range 25. You can of course do it with 2 loops, so but yeah, this is just efficient. And we do Pydle I into division 5, that gives us our rows, and then I modulus 5 to give our columns. No character, and color is white. Okay. And I'm just gonna put that on one line because it's just a single statement in the for loop. We can get away with that on one line. Okay, so let's do the top part of the diamond. It's a little staircase. So let's do the rows. So let's do for I in range, and we gonna need 3 for the top part, so range 3. Okay, so for every row we need to kind of increase that and then loop over, just filling up the cells in the column. And we can see the first one is 1, 3, 5. So the number of cells we need to color in, that is increasing by double that index. And this is zero-based indexing, so that is 0, so we need to add 1 as well. Okay, so let's do for j in range. Okay, we said 2 times I plus 1. Reason for that? Yeah, so it increases by double the y. Okay, and now to actually draw a little Pydle, need to figure that out. Okay, so the row is easy, that's just I. Okay, so first row we've got, we need to start at cell number 2, then cell at number 1, then cell number 0. Okay, so how does that work? So that the starting point basically increases or decreases as the rows increase. So, and we do that by saying 2 minus I. So that is going to kind of increase our starting point, and then we need to iterate with j. Just take some time if you don't understand that, and color red. Okay, let's see if that's correct. Okay, so that did the top part. We can write another set of loops to do the bottom part, but let's just repeat that line and fill it up from the bottom. Okay, so we're going to do 4 minus I. So that's going to just mirror that image, and the middle one is just going to be done twice, but that doesn't really matter. I managed to do that in 5 lines. And that is our puzzle solved. Let me know in your comments if you've got another way of solving this, and good luck with solving today's puzzle.